Hi guys, Handyman here, back for a very quick video. This one is all about tech. My iPhone kind of decided not to charge the other day, and it's 11 Pro, so I was a bit annoyed because, you know, it's not even a year, well, it's about a year old. Anyway, it wouldn't charge, so I was looking online, looking at all these people getting toothbrushes out, trying to clean the contact area where you put your charger in. So done that, still no joy. Starting to get a bit worried at this stage. So again, back online, trying to figure it out. People are adamant that, you know, this is the problem. So they say get a Q-tip, snap it off, pop that up there, just try and get whatever out. And to be honest with you, there was some stuff that came out and I thought, brilliant, this has resolved my issue, but still no joy. I plugged the charger in, nothing. So yeah, I then had to like resort to the basics. I mean, whenever you have a tech problem, what do? Switch the phone off, right? So I turned the phone off and hey presto, whacked it back on. It's obviously reset, rebooted. There was obviously a niggle with the software, and now it charges. So yeah, there's a tip for you guys. Anyway, like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you can, please subscribe. Thank you.